Share any property or list of properties with clients or colleagues through a link. Access CASAFARI, set your search parameters and click in Search. Select the properties that you wish to include in your link to share. You can choose one or more properties, and also select all at once. Click in Share Link and a new tab will open. Copy the URL directly from your browser to send it. Any person will have access to the link, its properties and their general information, even if they're not CASAFARI users. The link will not show privileged information about the properties, such as the property history and listings. These are available only for CASAFARI subscribers. As an alternative, you can also share a specific property straight from the property page by clicking on the Share button or even by generating a PDF. For more information, contact us through our chat or email us at support@casafari.com.